Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this type of designs in which a text is there and the picture is there inside of the text. So in this video I'll be covering this entire design strategy, so you can also do this and create this type of interesting pictures. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to download this application which is known as Pixel Lab, and which will be available on the Google Play Store. Okay, so you can download this application into your smartphone and you can just start creating the design. Okay, so now let's jump to the application and let's make a design. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to open this application. Okay, and you need to click on over here. Okay, now you need to just go and select custom size. So for this I am going to select a size of 4500 into 5400. So this is the size which we basically use for our designs. Okay, for our Redbubble designs. Okay, so this is the size which I have particularly selected. Now what you can do is that now you can just okay, cancel. Okay, now let's delete this object which is over here. So we have deleted this object. Now what you have to do is you have to just click on this A button, that is the text button which is available over here. So once you click on that, now you can just add any text. Okay, so for example I want to add some interesting text over here. So what I will do is I will click over here and then I will write something and anything. Okay, like SCA. Okay, so I wrote here C. Okay, the word C has been written over here. Okay, now what I can do is that here I can go to styles and here I can select browse and then I can select any of the style. Okay, so this is the style which I liked. Okay, now what I can do is that now I can also put a picture inside of this. Okay, so that is something which is very interesting about this application, and this is something which can really help you to make some awesome designs on Redbubble. So now select the picture and you just need to click on this option which is known as texture. Okay, now you can just select any of the image. So for example I am going to select this water image for now. Okay, so once you have selected the image, all you need to do is click on this right tick and you can see your image has been created. Okay, and now you can also play with the stroke as well as other things of this image. So now let's click on the stroke and just make a stroke a little bit wider, or you can also change the font. Okay, all the things and all the options are available over here. So you can just click on stroke and add according to you, and you can also increase the width of the stroke. So that's what I did over here. Okay, and now the thing is that our design is almost ready. Okay, now what you can do is that you can just click on over this option and the option behind over here and just select the transparent background. Okay, so once you have selected the transparent background, now you can just select the save button and save this project. So in this way your text design with a picture inside will become ready. Okay, so in this way you can create a lot of designs which are really interesting, and you can just upload those designs to Redbubble or any print on demand store in which you want to create designs. So this is a simple tutorial about this type of design. So I hope you got some value out of this video. We'll see you in the next video.